Just a very short video, guys. I printed this baking powder submarine quite a while ago, probably a few months ago, and it didn't work. And I've just picked it up because it lays on the window ledge in the conservatory there. And I thought, how about if I added a bit of foam, that's in styrofoam or what you want to call it, to give it a little bit more buoyancy. And it's working. The only thing is I haven't got the fish tank that I was trying it in before. That's upstairs, so I've just put it in this bowl, so it doesn't really give you a good view of it, but you can see it is down underwater. It rises up, just touches the surface, tips over, releases the bubbles and drops back down again. So not an ideal way to demonstrate, but I might have another go at it. Do it properly. That'll do for now. Well, I'll just wait for it to go up one more time. Is it going to go up one more time? Yeah. Oh, I didn't make it to the top that time. It was down to the point where I was just adding a single little ball of the foam to adjust the buoyancy. Oh, there you are, it went all the way up that time. Had to get it just right so it does sink, and then the whole idea is it rises to the surface, and when it gets to the surface it rolls over. That's what it's supposed to do, roll over and release the bubble, and then it drops back down again. So yeah, I might have another go at this. It really does need reprinting, because the top, you can see there's bubbles coming out of it. Yeah, they're not supposed to be coming out of there, they're supposed to be coming out the bottom. There you are, up to the surface, tips over, drops back down again. Oh, that was perfect that time, that's exactly what it's supposed to do. But obviously it's supposed to go over a bit more distance than that, not just what have we got there, 2 inches deep. Yeah, that'll do. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.